చేసాం ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో. In this video we will discuss about the some important terms related to the three phase system. Some important terms related to the three phase system. Three phase system को संबंधिंచిన some important terms. What are the important terms will be there in three phase system? You have to see in this video. What are the first one is phase voltage. Before going to these terminologies, I will draw the diagram of three phase system or three phase winding in star connection. You know that there are three windings. This is the R, this is the Y, B, R, Y, B. In the middle we get neutral. These are the three winding R, Y, B. You know that what is meant by phase voltage? Phase voltage is indicated by V phase. Phase voltage is nothing but the voltage is measured between any one of the phase and one neutral. And then the voltage measured between the voltage measured between any one phase and neutral. ఏదైనా ఒక ఫేజ్ కు న్యూట్రల్ మధ్యలో వోల్టేజ్ మెజర్ చేస్తే we call as this is the phase, this is the neutral. In between we measure the voltage, that voltage we call as phase voltage. This is we call as a phase voltage. The voltage is measured between any one of phase and neutral. This is it is indicated by VPH, V suffix PH. This is the phase voltage. మిమ్మల్ని అడగవచ్చు what is the phase voltage? Phase voltage ఎంత ఉంటుంది? మాక్సిమం phase voltage ఎప్పుడైనా 230 volts ఉంటుంది. 230 volts ఉంటుంది. phase voltage ఎంత ఉంటుంది? ఒక phase కు ఒక న్యూట్రల్, మన సింగిల్ phase ఉన్నట్టే ఒక phase ఒక న్యూట్రల్ మధ్యలో ఎంత వోల్టేజ్ ఉంటుంది? 230 volts. 230 volts are there in one phase and neutral. ఒక phase కు న్యూట్రల్ మధ్య వోల్టేజ్ ఎంత? 230 volts. Second one is line voltage. Line voltage is indicated by VL. The voltage measured between any two lines. The voltage measured between any two lines. ఏమన్నా two lines sorry. The voltage is measured between any two phases. Two phases మధ్యలో మెజర్ చేస్తే we call as a, for example R Y కి మెజర్ చేయొచ్చు, Y కు B కు మధ్యలో మనం voltage మెజర్ చేస్తే that type of voltage we call as a line voltage. This is the line voltage. Line voltage is nothing but the voltage measured between the any two phases we call as a line. Write down voltage measured between any two phases. ఇందులో న్యూట్రల్ ఉంటుంది. టూ ఫేజ్ మధ్యలో వోల్టేజ్ మెజర్ చేస్తే we call as a line voltage. Line voltage is always greater than the phase line voltage is always greater than the phase voltage. This is the line voltage. Third one is phase current. Write down phase current. Third one is phase current. I phase. What is mean by phase current? The current flowing in any one of the phase. The current flowing in any one of the phase. For example, if there is current flowing, that called as IR. IR and current flow aitundi. This is called phase current. Or phase current. The current flowing in any one phase. Any one phase is called phase current. This is the phase current and it is indicated by IPH. After that, fourth one is line current. Line current IL. Line current is IL. The current flowing in any line we call as a line current. IL is always greater than the I phase. This is about the line current. After that, balanced load and unbalanced load. మీరు load గురించి balanced load. Fifth one is balanced load. Balanced load. Balanced load nothing but we have three phases. In three phases, same current flow aite that type of load we call as a balanced load. That type of load we call as a ante the equal amount of current is sharing. So that type of load we call as a balanced load. Balanced load nothing but the three phases ko same current flow aithe we call as a balanced load. Sixth one is unbalanced load. Unbalanced load nothing but unequal current flow aithe three phases nunchi. That type of current we call as a unbalanced load. Seventh one is phase sequence. This is the very important. What is the phase sequence? ఇప్పుడు త్రీ ఫేజ్ సప్లై ఉందనుకో దాని ఫేజ్ సీక్వెన్స్ ఏంటి? మీ ఇంతకుముందు నేను త్రీ ఫేజ్ వేవ్ ఫార్మ్ డ్రా చేసిన. ఫస్ట్ ఫేజ్ 0 డిగ్రీస్ దగ్గర వస్తే సెకండ్ ఫేజ్ ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది? 120 డిగ్రీస్ దగ్గర స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. థర్డ్ ఫేజ్ ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది? 240 డిగ్రీస్ దగ్గర స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ ఫేజ్ ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. 240 కి 120 యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అంటే ఇక్కడ 360 దగ్గర. సో the phase sequence is 120 degrees. అంటే for example R ఉంది, Y B. This is the phase sequence. First R phase వస్తది. After 120 degrees Y phase వస్తది. After 120 degrees we get B phase. R Y B. Same it will be repeated. First R Y B is over. R Y B. The phase sequence is R Y B. This is a very important. What is the phase sequence of three phase system? R Y B R. ఇది ఇంతకుముందు మీకు previous question paper లో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది. What is the phase sequence of three phase system? R Y B R. ఏంటది? R Y B. This is about the phase sequence. These are some important terms. What are the terms? these terms, why it is important? Because you know you are how much current flowing in the phase current ఎంత ఉంది అని అడుగుతారు. ఆ 3 phase system లో phase current ఎంత flow అవుతుంది, line current ఎంత flow అవుతుంది, and అది బ్యాలెన్స్ లోడా అన్బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ లోడా, ఇవన్నీ we have this అవి తెలుసుకోవాలంటే we have to know what is mean by, at least we have to know what is the phase current, what is the line current. Without knowing this we don't know the three phase system. So these are the important, you note down the what I am giving on write on the board, you note down in your notes. This is about the some important terms